Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. If you are new here, we offer educational videos on how to achieve your ambition of becoming cabin crew in the Middle East. If you are interested in knowing more about us and our extensive career history working for all the ME3 airlines, please watch our other videos linked below. How to answer the question, why do you want to be cabin crew? 1. Highlight your passion for customer service. Express your enthusiasm for providing exceptional customer service and creating positive experiences for passengers. Emphasize your ability to connect with people, anticipate their needs, and ensure their comfort and safety during flights. Example, I have always been drawn to the opportunity of delivering exceptional customer service. Being cabin crew allows me to combine my passion for travel with my love for helping others. I genuinely enjoy providing a comfortable and enjoyable journey for people, making sure their needs are met and leaving a lasting positive impression. 2. Candidate your interest in the aviation industry. Discuss your fascination with the aviation industry and how being cabin crew allows you to be part of this dynamic and fast-paced field. Highlight your eagerness to contribute to the industry's growth and development. Example, aviation has always intrigued me, and being part of the cabin crew gives me the chance to immerse myself in the industry. I find the whole aviation environment captivating, from the teamwork involved to the constant learning opportunities. I'm excited to contribute to the growth and success of the industry by providing excellent service to passengers. 3. Discuss your love for travel and cultural diversity. Share your passion for exploring new destinations and experiencing different cultures. Talk about how being cabin crew allows you to embrace diversity, broaden your horizons, and appreciate the richness of global experiences. Example, traveling has been a lifelong passion of mine, and becoming cabin crew would allow me to turn that passion into a career. I am genuinely excited about the opportunity to visit new destinations, immerse myself in diverse cultures, and learn from people around the world. Being cabin crew would enable me to combine my love for travel with my dedication to delivering outstanding service. 4. Emphasize your adaptability and problem-solving skills. Highlight your ability to work well under pressure, handle unexpected situations, and think on your feet. Discuss how being cabin crew requires quick decision-making, problem-solving, and adaptability, which are qualities you possess and thrive on. Example, I thrive in dynamic and fast-paced environments, and I believe being cabin crew is the perfect fit for my skills and personality. I enjoy facing new challenges, and the unpredictable nature of the role excites me. I am confident in my ability to think quickly, solve problems efficiently, and provide a calm and reassuring presence for passengers, even in challenging situations. 5. Express your desire for personal and professional growth. Communicate your enthusiasm for the opportunities that being cabin crew offers in terms of personal and professional development. Talk about your eagerness to learn new skills, gain industry knowledge, and grow both personally and career-wise. Example, one of the reasons I am drawn to the cabin crew role is the potential for personal and professional growth. I am eager to develop my interpersonal and communication skills, expand my knowledge of aviation, and enhance my ability to work as part of a diverse and talented team. I see this role as an opportunity to challenge myself, continuously learn, and advance in my career. Remember to tailor your response to your own experiences and motivations. Be authentic, passionate, and genuine in your explanation, and showcase how your skills and aspirations align with the demands and rewards of being cabin crew.